How to hide Instagram post from one person. Now there is only one way to do this. That is that first of all, if you only want to hide from one person and one specific person, now if you don't need them as a follower, just remove them from your follower list. But before that, go to the three lines icon from there and go to the option called account privacy and turn on private account, which means only your followers will be able to view your private account. And when you've done that, you also want to come back over here and then you go to your followers and find the person whom you want to remove from your follower list and just tap on remove followers. So tap on the unfollowing button, then you can tap on the three dots option over here, then tap on remove follower. Now when you remove this person as a follower and you have a private account, they will not be able to see any of your posts or stories. So this way you can hide your post from one person on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.